Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can restore or reopen already closed tabs in the Waterfox web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so as you can see, I launched the Waterfox browser, and just for the sake of the tutorial, let me close this tab here by right-clicking into it and by selecting close tab, or simply by clicking into that X button here. There are two ways how you can restore these guys. If you accidentally close the tab and would like to reopen it and now want to access your browsing history, there is a way how you can do this. Simply right click into one of these tabs and select the option at the very bottom of the drop-down menu, reopen close tab. That is going to open the most recently or the last closed tab, which is in this case that one here. As you can see, that's option number one. Option number two, you may simply access the Waterfox view feature. It is located in the very top left corner, and here guys you will see that that list to the left, recent browsing, open tabs and recently closed tabs. So simply navigate to recently closed tabs, and for example you may select one from there, or simply go through the recent browsing and you will see all websites, the most recently opened websites or tabs here in the Waterfox view. So simply click into the given tab to open it, or you may simply click into these three dots here and, for instance, pin it or mute the tab, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. That's how you do it. Let me open that one here, for example. There you go. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.